Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add more than 10 photos to Instagram Reel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, launch your Instagram app and tap on this plus icon and select Reel and tap on this upload button to the bottom left corner and tap on select. Now select photos to add to your reel, and here you can see the limit is 10 photos or videos in reel. So here is no option to add more than 10 photos to Instagram reel. If you're trying to upload more than 10 photos to your Instagram reel or post, then you have to download photo editor application to your device and you want to collage your photos. So that's how you will be able to upload more than 10 photos to your Instagram reel or post. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.